No. Run towards them with your lead.
Well, they might run and kick.
Well, that's kind of the point, isn't it?
Oh my gosh, they kicked at the same time. Did you get that on tape?
Yeah. Yeah.
No, they kicked out. So slow. She was higher than Taylor.
Make them keep going. They really like that corner. Y'all just stay over there, and when they come by, be like,
Okay.
yeah. There you go.
Oh, look at my hand.
Cuba could beat her in a race any day, though.
You haven't seen her run in the field.
No, I haven't.
Well, I beat you last time. By a second. And like a foot.
They're like, where's Secretariat Junior? Yeah.
Well, thank you for your effort not to throw pictures.
Oh, you have her halter on?
Yeah.
Ooh. They're like, catch me if you can, suckers! Where are they? Oh, I see them. Here they go. Dang, they can run.